you, Jonathan. Switching gears a little bit, in Logan, an annual tradition starts today, which means we can expect a lot more traffic in the canyon. ABC4's Annika Johns joins us live at the mouth of Logan Canyon, where people are getting ready for the cattle drive. Annika, how are things moving along?
Courtney, you took my joke there. How dare you? But you know, things have been moving great all day. It's just been a lot of cows, a couple horses and riders, but mainly cows moving through Logan Canyon today. Now, some people find the drive entertaining and fun to watch, while others are just really wanting the cows to move out of the way. It's the running of the cows in Logan Canyon as the annual movement of cattle up Highway 89 begins. The Logan Ranger District says that between August 14th to the 18th, over 1,400 cattle will be moved from one pasture to the other using the roadway as their path north. With no cattle on the road, it's smooth sailing, but once they enter the roadways, traffic comes to a bit of a standstill. Now, the cattle will travel 2.5 miles from their early summer pasture to their late summer pasture, and while some people find the movement fun and entertaining, others see it as a bit of a nuisance.
I didn't really find it an issue. I mean, I know they have like construction going on a little further, so that seemed to be like more of an issue than anything. I didn't see it being an issue like with the traffic.
The cows will be moved in groups of 200 to 300 over the next 3 days, beginning at Temple Fork Road to a cattle guard below Twin Creeks. Officials are asking drivers to slow down and stay cautious around the animals. When speaking to those in the area affected by the cattle movement, they say that while it slows down their drive, you might as well stop and enjoy the experience.
Come enjoy and see what it's like. I mean, it's people's livelihoods, and I think it's a really cool experience.
Will be moved between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. for the next 3 days, which means that the roadways won't be 100% clear. But even not between those hours, officials are warning people to just remain cautious. There could be lost cows or cows that got separated from the group still roaming around. So as you come across those turns, make sure you're just taking it slow to make sure you don't hit any animals that are still on the road. Reporting live from Logan, Annika Johns, ABC4 News.
All right, thank you, Annika.